A very good evening from Thessaloniki seafront. A wonderful 2nd of May evening. We have had over 25 degrees today on midday. Now it's cooler. It's a very nice time of the day for people to go out, stroll around, either with bicycles, with the kids alone, or just walking, talking and relaxing. Thessaloniki seafront, one of the most popular places to be in Thessaloniki. Of course, you have to be in the seafront when in Thessaloniki. Not once, but as many times as you can. This is the direction towards the White Tower. And this is glorious Thermaikos Gulf, part of North Aegean. That's it. Bye bye from Thessaloniki.